Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to play Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. So if you're new to the game and want to learn the basics, then just follow along. First, download and install Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures from your device's app store and open the game and complete the short introduction. And once you're inside the dream house, you can tap different rooms to explore activities. Visit the kitchen to cook recipes, the bedroom to decorate, the salon to change hairstyles, or the swimming pool and garden to discover more fun activities. You'll also meet Barbie and her friends, complete quests, earn rewards, and unlock additional items as you progress. Then you can tap on highlighted objects to interact with them and complete mini games throughout the house. And as you continue playing, you'll unlock more outfits, furniture, recipes, and location. So that was how to play Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.